Around 200,000 people a year visited Brazil's National Museum. It housed some of the country's most invaluable historical treasures, 20 million items in all, their origins spanning thousands of years. A former imperial palace, it was built for the Portuguese royal family in the early 19th century. But 2 years ago, in September 2018, disaster struck. A fire, blamed on a faulty air conditioning unit, spread out of control, destroying the building and half its collection. The museum is still closed for tourists as it's a burnt-out husk of what it used to be, and much of the devastation is still being cleared away. Walking around, you just feel hollow, like the remains of the museum. And this room right here is where the fire first started.
O incêndio do Museu Nacional ocorreu no dia 2 de setembro de 2018, né, em um momento que não tinha ninguém dentro do palácio, dentro do prédio. Os seguranças já tinham saído, já tinha acabado a visitação. E quando os bombeiros chegaram, esse incêndio já tinha avançado, já tinha chegado num ponto que eles tiveram que rapidamente tentar debelar.
When the scale of the devastation became clear, Luciana and some of her colleagues entered the burning building to try and save some of the artifacts.
No momento que o fogo já estava nessa área aqui de trás. E nesse momento a gente já estava aqui dentro, quase nessa área aqui, já estava tentando entrar ali pela porta e o teto começou a cair sobre o terceiro andar e o terceiro andar sobre o segundo andar. Então os bombeiros pediram para a gente sair, porque a gente estava correndo já risco de vida.
A team of researchers comb through the debris for surviving artifacts. Despite all the destruction, there are still some exciting discoveries. It looks like there's something important in here.
Yes.
Or what's left of something important.
Yes, these are some of Lucia remains. It's one of the oldest skeleton find in America. It's one of the oldest.
It's estimated the Lucia remains date back 11,500 years.
Was an iconic item for the collections. We could rescue about 9% of the skeleton, so we hope that in the future we'll be able to make a proper reconstruction or maybe a restoration of the material. I have a really great team, very dedicated, and they are giving their souls to rescue what is possible to be rescued.
Since we visited the museum back in January, the outlook has grown more uncertain. Restoration work is on hold because of coronavirus, and the team has only managed to fundraise half of its $70 million target. It's meant plans to partially reopen for Brazil's bicentennial in 2022 are unlikely to go ahead.
The future of the museum, it's keep on. We have to go on. We continue to work, we continue to discover, we continue to interact with the public. That is our main goal as an institution.
The Travel Show, your essential guide wherever you're heading, every weekend on BBC World News.